Hello children, myself Sankita Dadav from Gokhale Education Society, JDC Bitco, English Medium High School, Nasik Road. Student, I hope you are all well in your house. Student, in the last video, in the month of December, I had given you one composition. Composition number 5, and name of the composition was Christmas. Today again in this video, I will take composition number 6 because recently we have celebrated Republic Day. So composition number 6 is the name of the composition, Republic Day. So take out your pen or pencil and your classwork book. Write the composition in your classwork book and then you write in the composition notebook. So ready? I will start the composition. Composition number 6, Republic Day. India's constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. On that day, India was declared a sovereign democratic republic. This means that India became an independent country with a president at its head. From that year onwards, 26th January is celebrated all over India every year as Republic Day. Paragraph number 2. On that day, the hoisting of the national flag by the President of India is followed by a colorful parade in New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute as the parade marches past. Marching columns representing 3 armed forces. Armored vehicles like tanks, military and schools bands. Decorated floats turn the event into a grand spectacle. Now children, last paragraph of the composition, paragraph number 3. Don't put the number, only leave 3 lines when you are writing the next paragraph. On Republic Day, the national flag is hoisted in all the states, capitals, district headquarters, important government offices, colleges and schools. Parades are held in many places. In our school too, we hoist the national flag, speeches are given and sweets are distributed. So write the composition in the classwork book and also in the homework book and in the composition book. This way the composition is over. Thank you.